boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this time we have a song from Capaldi called Someone You Love. Probably you have heard it before. This is the first Capaldi song on this channel, and probably not the last one. So let's start with the setting here. We have the capo set on the first fret here, and we need to learn 5 different chords. And this time we have the C chord like this, and it's the A string, 3rd fret. Second on the D string, open G, first B, and open E. Then we go to the G chord, like this, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, and then the 3rd on the B and 3rd on the E. That's how I prefer to play G most of the times. And then we go to the A minor. So it's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. And then the F chord, you bar the 1st fret here from the capo. So bar here, and the rest looks like an E chord, which is the 3rd fret here on the A string, 3rd on the D string, and 2nd on the G string. And finally we have the D minor, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And as you noticed, we're not strumming the full chords like this, so we have a picking pattern here, so we need to learn this, how to play it. And I prefer to hold, even if we're not playing the full chords, I prefer to hold the full chords when I'm playing. An exception from that is when I play the G chord. It's enough to just hold it like this. I'm gonna show you soon. So when we pick, I prefer, as I told you, to hold this C to begin with. And in the verse, the chord progression is C, G, A minor, and F. And how do we play this? When you play the C during this whole song, when we're using C, we are playing alternate here with the top strings down here on the B and E, and we alternate that with the bass note, which is the 3rd fret A string. So in the case of C, we're gonna play B, E together, A, you can pluck this with whatever finger you would like to use. On your right hand, I prefer to use my middle and my ring finger, because that is how I learned guitar once back in the time, to have one finger for every string like this. That's the classical way of playing guitar, so that's how I prefer. But you can use whatever finger if you like to play it with your index and middle finger. It's up to you. So when you're playing C, you pluck the B and E together, and you alternate it with the A string. So then we go to the G chord, and this is the exception from the rule here. When I'm not holding the full chord, I'm just holding the 3rd fret on E, and we're alternating the G, open G and B string with this bass note, so open G, open D, open G and B, sorry. And you alternate it together with the open E, the bass. And then we come to the A minor. Here you alternate the B and G string with the open A. And then finally we come to the F chord. And here we alternate the G and D string with the bass of this E string up here on the first fret. And I'm playing 4 rounds of everything, so 4 C, 4 G, 4 A minor, 4 F. And on F, sometimes in the song it's played like this 4 times, and sometimes on the fourth play here, you play, instead of playing this like it is on the F chord, you hold it like this, you release your middle finger here, and also your index finger, which bars the whole thing, so it will be an open G and still the 3rd fret on the D string. So sorry, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th you release middle finger and the bar, and it works like a bridge to a new round of C and so on. So if I play it slowly for you, I can demonstrate how it works. So C, 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 G, 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 A minor, A minor, A minor, A minor, and F here. 2, 3, and release. And the bass is still the same. So you only release the middle finger and your bar finger here, and index finger. So that is how you play the verse, and you do it 4 rounds. So 4 of these. And then we come to the chorus. And this chord progression here is the C, G, A minor, and F. And as you notice, it's the same chord progression as in the verse. So you play it 2 times, and that's for the chorus. Then we play the verse again, and there comes a chorus after that. So verse, chorus, verse, chorus. And then we come to the bridge, and here is where we're gonna need the D minor. And with the D minor chord, you're gonna play, you hold it like it is, like this, and then you play the E and the B string. And you alternate that together with the open D. And the pattern is the same. So B and E together, and alternate with the D open. 4 of the D minor, and then 4 of the A minor, in the same way as before. And here comes the G, and here you play 6 rounds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you go to the A minor and play 2 rounds. So that is 1 round. So D minor, D minor, D minor, D minor, A minor, A minor, A minor, A minor, G, G, 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor, and one more time. D minor, D minor, D minor, D minor, and on the last G here, you only play 4 times, because there's gonna be a break there when it comes into the chorus again. So 2, 3, 4, pause, and then it comes to the chorus again. So if we take the bridge all together, it will sound like this. And then it comes na 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 na. chorus here comes 2 times, so to speak. So right after this bridge with the D minor, the chorus comes, and he's playing in the same way as I play now, only 1 downstroke with the full chord. So the same chord progression: G minor, F, and 2 rounds of this. So one more time: C, G, A minor, and F. And then comes the chorus again, and this time he's playing in the same way as before with this plugging system. So. And that pretty much covers this song. So a great song from Mr. Capaldi here, and I'm pretty sure he will be back on this channel, and I hope you will be that too. So for you to be that and to be updated with whatever happens on this channel, please subscribe or just leave a comment, or like this one. So that's it for this time. Don't forget to play tuned.